హైదరాబాద్ను హార్డ్వేర్ హబ్గా తీర్చిదిద్దుతామని తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ఐటీ శాఖ మంత్రి కేటీఆర్ స్పష్టం చేశారు. హైదరాబాద్లోని ఐటెక్స్లో ఇండియా గాడ్జెట్ ఎక్స్పో 2014ను ఆయన ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా కేటీఆర్ మాట్లాడుతూ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ రంగంలో హైదరాబాద్ దేశంలో 2వ స్థానంలో ఉందన్నారు. ఇప్పటికే ఇన్క్యుబేషన్ ప్రారంభించామని, దీని ద్వారా పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలను ప్రోత్సహిస్తున్నామని ఆయన తెలిపారు.
First of its kind, India Gadget Show, India Gadgets Expo, happening in India and that too in Hyderabad. We obviously welcome and we appreciate the organizers for taking the lead and making it happen. And I'm hopeful the next time, as Rajiv has mentioned, we can really take it to the next level, maybe to the level of a CES in Las Vegas going forward. But definitely we have to aim high. One thing is a fact, technology certainly in the last few years especially. Firstly, he talked about making Hyderabad the hub for hardware industry of this country. The way we see it, I think Hyderabad has all the makings, all the trappings to make it one of the top destinations of this country as far as software or hardware is concerned. Software, I think Hyderabad is the number 2 city in India at this point in time, with exports over 50,000 crores, which I'm very proud to say. In fact, that number is likely to grow up this year. As far as hardware is concerned, we've already approved 2 electronic manufacturing clusters very near to the Hyderabad airport, which is again a world-class airport. So, with these 2 new electronic manufacturing clusters coming up, we have a lot of local interest. We have a lot of local hardware players wanting to come in and establish their units. But we are definitely on the lookout for more and more global players also. In fact, after inaugurating the stall there, I was talking to the gentleman from LG, asking him as to what happened with the previous conversation that was launched or that was initiated a few years back with the previous government. We will, I guarantee you, most certainly going forward, come up with a proper plan. In fact, it's only my 16th day in job today, 16th day after assuming office. So going forward in the next few weeks to come, I guarantee you that we will come up with a proper hardware policy, which certainly will or should be supported by Government of India as well, in terms of creating and attracting hardware manufacturing facilities to Hyderabad. Most certainly I'll be working with the industry bigwigs such as Mr.